Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to continue building our knowledge of Bluebeam Revu by uncovering the power behind the Markups List. We'll look at ways we can sort, filter, hide, and import all this valuable data. Be ready to take notes. This will be another informative presentation. The next thing that I want to talk about is the statuses. So one of the options that we have down here, I don't have turned on yet. So I'm going to go to my markups list, columns, and turn on my status right here. And that will put a new column over here. And what this status means is, in the case of this snagging list, if I'm the mechanical contractor and I went through and I made this change, I can double click in here and mark that completed. And you can set these up so automatically, you don't have to set this up. This is by default. It's going to mark, it says completed and it says that I did it and when I marked that complete. So you can see that right away. And then as you're marking those complete, you can set up different custom statuses in here. You can name these whatever you like. You can set up color systems. So for me, I set this up so that when I marked things complete, it would actually gray it out so that it's not drawing attention anymore. It's not orange telling me I need to fix that. And then as a general contractor, I can come through when I see that this was marked complete. I can come in and reject it and so on and so forth. You can see all the different phases of what's happening in that status. So when I rejected it, I asked this one to turn pink to draw more attention. So you can do different statuses like that. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.